Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I really had a hankering for some of these St. Louis ribs. Went there and looked, and all the ones I've got is in the freezer. They were pretty hard froze there. So, but never fear, I'm lucky. I've got a Ninja FOODi DELUXE. And so I'm going to fix these ribs up, the St. Louis ribs in this Ninja FOODi DELUXE. So let's get started with doing that. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do, I got a cup and a half of water here that I'm going to put down the bottom of this Ninja FOODi DELUXE. And then we'll put the crisper basket in it. I'm going to put this little slab of St. Louis ribs down here in it. So now the next thing I'm going to do is put this pressure lid on here. Then we're going to line up the arrows right here and turn it clockwise so it locks into position. Then we're going to turn on the power. We're going to put it over here on pressure. Right here, and that little indicator light lights up. We'll leave it on high. And then we're going to go here and push the time button. You can see the little time starts flashing, and we'll go run it up to 20 minutes. Alright, and then we'll go hit the start button. And as you know, those little lights are going to chase each other around until it builds up pressure enough to start cooking. Now, one thing I forgot to tell you to do, I forgot to do myself. Take this valve right here and turn it over to the sealed position. Make sure it's not in the vent, but in a sealed position before you start on it. Because if you don't, if you just leave it in that vent, it's going to be a long time before anything gets done. So now we'll be back as soon as this thing starts catching up a little bit. Okay, that's getting ready to pop up. And there it came. That's been about 10 minutes now. If you're familiar with the Ninja FOODi, you know it keeps on chasing these little lights for a couple of minutes before it builds up enough pressure for it to start cooking. So we'll keep eye on that and see how long that takes. I don't think it's going to take more than a minute or two. But while you got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. Thank you very much, all you people that watch our videos and join our channel. And if you see something you like on here, maybe you can find it in a link down below with Amazon. So we'll be back as soon as it gets ready to come on here. Okay, there it goes. It's down to 19:21 seconds now. So in about another 19 minutes, we'll be about ready to take it out and see what we're going to do to it next. Okay, now it's about the end of this 20-minute cook here. Now, a lot of times I just leave this in here and let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes. But since I got a lot of other stuff I want to do to this, we'll go ahead and do a quick release on it, take it out, and then we'll do something else to it. It's been almost 3 minutes since I hit that relief valve there, and it's about ready to drop. Pin's about ready to drop. So we'll see what it looks like inside that pot here in just another few seconds. And there it went. Now the pin dropped. Now the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to turn this lid counterclockwise and turn it upside down and away from your face. Oh, those look like some good ribs down there. Let me just get it out and put it on a plate here so you can see it. Oh yeah, look at that. See the bone here is starting to pull away from the meat and everything, or the meat's pulling away from the bone, I should say. And so now, next thing we're going to do, here now I'm not going to do anything to the back side of it because I just want this front side fixed up because not much back there except bones anyway. I'm going to put a little pepper on it, a little salt. And some of this good old BYRON'S butt rub here. Just like that. Now, that's got a pretty good color going there. So now, next thing we'll do is I've got to get that crisper basket out of this pot and empty it so we can put it back in there. So we'll be back in a second. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is take this little slab of ribs right here and put them right back down in there. And then we'll shut the lid. Okay, now we'll turn on the power. We'll put it over here to air crisp, and we'll leave it at 390. We'll hit the timer, get that to clicking, and we'll come down to 15 minutes. All right, now we'll hit the start button. There it goes. Now, about 15 minutes from now, we were to be getting real close. We just have a couple more things to do when it gets down to the 15 minutes. So we'll be back in a couple minutes. Well, about 14 minutes. Okay, now it's down to 3 seconds to go, and we got one more little thing to do to it. All right, stopped. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power off. And I'll come up here and take a little look at it. Well, that looks pretty sizzling good right there, doesn't it? And we'll take some of this sweet baby rice here and we'll put on top of it. You put a liberal amount, you know, or how you like it, you know. If you don't like a lot, don't. And if you don't like any barbecue sauce on it until after you take it out, you're just about ready to take this out. I just want to spread this out on there some. Just like that. Take your brush here and just rub it all in good. Just like that. All right, now, next thing we'll do is shut the lid back. Come over here and turn the power on. Let's go to 390 for 20 minutes on the air crisp. I don't want it to go 20 minutes, of course. So I'll hit the timer here. I'll run on down to 4 minutes. And then we'll hit the start button. After that 4 minutes is up, we're going to be ready to eat some dinner. Okay, now it's down here at about 5 seconds now. We're fixing to take this out and see what it looks like. There it goes. Let's set our plate over here. Now we'll open the lid. Oh, that looks good. I'll turn the power off. Look at that slab of ribs right there. Oh, that looks good, don't it? Then we'll see if I can split it right down the middle. Golly, oh, that looks good. I'll move this pot out of the way here before I hurt myself with it. Look at that. Doesn't that look scrumptious right there? I'll try a piece in just a second as soon as it cools down just a little bit. I'll tell you right now, that's delicious. We'll have it ready to go here in a minute. Okay, now that about does it for this little video here. We have a lot of fun cooking it. We'll go have a lot of fun eating it here in just a second because it sure is good. And so it'll take about 40 minutes from frozen, out of your freezer onto your plate and ready to eat. And that's not bad. That's not bad. You've got to add a little salad there, you know. Make everybody happy. Now we got our salad and fries and ribs. Who could ask for anything more? So thanks for watching our video, and if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. I hope you watch more of them and come back and see us real soon. Until then, y'all have a real good and safe day, and we'll see you later as soon as you can. Goodbye now.